Hi, welcome to Free Job Camp. In this episode, we'll start with our Frontend Developer Training program, and the first task is to build your own portfolio website. So let's get started. So to build your own portfolio website, you need to be familiar with basics of web development. You need to know a little bit about HTML, CSS, and then JavaScript. If you are already familiar with these three topics, you can go ahead and build your own portfolio website. In case you are not familiar with these three topics, I will share couple of courses where you can learn these three things. These are free courses. This is from Coursera provided by John Hopkins, and there is also one more course from Free Code Camp. This is also good. You can also search online and you can find a few number of free courses which are available. You can choose any course, and you need to learn basics of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So these courses they take the time is around like 10 to 15 hours to complete the course, but it might take you a week or more to complete the course and get a good understanding of the basics. So yeah, that should be fine. Once you are done with the basics, you should be able to build a small portfolio website. Now I will show a couple of portfolio website. So this is website of Yogur. Here you can see there is just a small profile picture and a few links to Facebook, Stack Overflow, GitHub and other sites, and a few links in his blog. So this is a sample portfolio site. And here we have Kresh Kumar website. Again, this is also a simple technical blog where we can see the blog posts, and there is an about me page, stats, TAL, etc, etc. And we also have K2A website. Here you can see a brief description of the person, the skills, contact details, and what are his skills, etc, etc. So these are just some of the sample blogs or portfolio website. You can find some other websites online. So the goal here is you should be able to build your own portfolio website. So once you complete the course, create a website for you where it should have your profile, a brief description of your education background, and then any projects that you have worked on, and at the end how people can reach you. So these details should be present. So once you are done with the course and you are done with the mini task, we should be able to go ahead to the next step. So until then, we'll talk about a few other topics in the next episodes. So stay tuned.